Welcome, future scientists, to the What If Lab. I'm Dr. Pip Sparkle, and today we've got a super-duper, brain-tickling question that just popped into my head. What if clouds weren't made of water vapor at all? What if they were made of fluffy, delicious, super sweet cotton candy? Whoa! If clouds were cotton candy, then when it rained, it wouldn't be water at all. It'd be a sweet, sticky, and super yummy cotton candy downpour. Imagine a whole town getting rained on with candy. But wait, what happens to cotton candy when it gets warm? It gets all sticky and starts to disappear. So if the sun shone on our cotton candy clouds, poof, they might just melt away, leaving behind a big sticky mess on the ground. That's why real clouds are made of tiny, tiny little water droplets. The sun heats up water from puddles and oceans, turning it into invisible water vapor that floats up high. Up in the sky, it gets cold, and the tiny water droplets join together to make clouds. And when those clouds get full, guess what? It rains real water, bringing a drink to all our plants and animals. So, while cotton candy clouds sound delicious, water clouds are much better for our world. And that, my curious friends, is the power of asking what if. It helps us discover amazing things about our world. Join us next time for another mind-boggling question. What if animals could talk? See you then, scientists.